Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable an option to keep your device on when the screen is off. This option will make your device on all the time, which may drain battery, but will result in your device not going to sleep, so it will not pause some tasks that may be in background. To do that, go to Settings, then go to Performance, then Eco Assist, and enable Keep Machine Running when the screen is off. And you can also mute the speakers when the display is off, or unmute it so you can, for example, play some music or videos. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.